Today we are discussing the interview questions and answers for Microsoft Azure Fundamentals AZ-900. You can download the complete list of Azure-based questions from the link provided in the description. Our interview question based on Azure Fundamentals is: explain Azure Active Directory AAD. Your answer should be Azure Active Directory AAD is a cloud-based identity and access management service provided by Microsoft. It allows organizations to manage user identities and access to resources, providing features such as single sign-on, multi-factor authentication, and role-based access control. Our next interview question is: what is Azure Cosmos DB? Your answer should be Azure Cosmos DB is a globally distributed multi-model database service provided by Microsoft for building highly responsive and scalable applications. It supports multiple data models such as document, key value, graph, and column family within a single database service. Our next interview question is: what are Azure Resource Manager ARM templates? Your answer should be Azure Resource Manager ARM templates are JSON files that define the resources and their configurations to be deployed to Azure. They enable infrastructure as code by allowing you to automate the deployment and management of Azure resources. Our next interview question is: explain Azure functions, triggers, and bindings. Your answer should be Azure functions. Triggers are events that cause the execution of a function, such as an HTTP request, a message in a queue, or a timer. Bindings are declarative connections between a function and external resources, allowing data to be passed into and out of the function. Our next interview question is: what is Azure Policy? Your answer should be Azure Policy is a service provided by Microsoft for implementing and enforcing governance policies for Azure resources. It allows you to define and enforce rules and guidelines to ensure compliance, security, and consistency across your Azure environment. Our next interview question is: explain Azure resource groups. Your answer should be Azure resource groups are containers that hold related Azure resources for management, billing, and access control purposes. They provide a way to organize and manage resources as a single logical unit in Azure. Our next interview question is: what is Azure Express Route? Your answer should be Azure Express Route is a dedicated private connection service provided by Microsoft that enables organizations to establish private high-throughput connections between their on-premises networks and Azure data centers, bypassing the public internet for improved security and reliability. Our next interview question is: what is Azure App Service? Your answer should be Azure App Service is a fully managed platform as a service PaaS offering provided by Microsoft for building, deploying, and scaling web applications, mobile backends, and RESTful APIs. It supports multiple programming languages and frameworks. Our next interview question is: explain Azure Traffic Manager. Your answer should be Azure Traffic Manager is a DNS-based traffic load balancer provided by Microsoft that allows you to distribute incoming traffic across multiple Azure regions or endpoints to improve application availability and responsiveness. Our next interview question is, what is Azure Security Center? Your answer should be Azure Security Center is a unified security management service provided by Microsoft that helps you prevent, detect, and respond to threats across your Azure environment. It provides security recommendations, threat detection, and advanced threat protection capabilities. If you are preparing for any Azure-based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description below.